In this video, we will show you how to replace your lower engine splash shield on this Honda Civic. This will be located under the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we have to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so we can make our way directly under the front. Now from underneath the vehicle, we're going to start separating the grille panel from the lower splash shield. This is going to be held in place with two 10mm headed mounting bolts, one on each side, and then also several push clips making their way across the center. Let's start with the push clips. For each one of our push clips, you want to carefully start removing the center. I'm going to be using a trim tool. You can use pretty much anything as a small prying device, even a flat blade screwdriver. Now on our vehicle, it looks as though one of our mounting bolts has already been replaced. Typically the 10mm bolt will be up through this port here, leading up towards that body of the vehicle. This looks like it's an 8mm, so I'm removing this. Okay, let's make our way over to the other side of the vehicle. Now as we move towards this center open port here, you're going to find that we have two more push clips to remove. Let's get these out of here. Let's get the next one. Now let's move towards each side of the vehicle. You can see where our small tow hooks are going to be located. Just in front of those, you're going to find a 10mm headed bolt. It's the same on either side of the vehicle. There's one. Let's get the other one. Now along each side of the vehicle, you're going to have to make your way into the wheel well. If you safely make your way underneath, you can typically just reach right up inside this area and start removing the two push pins from each side. If you needed to, you could remove your front wheels. It's not typically necessary. These can even be accessed if you're laying on the ground. Now we can start dislodging this side. Let's go over to the other side of the vehicle and repeat that exact same process. Okay, we got those out. Remove your lower engine splash shield. There it is, friend. Let's prepare to install our lower engine splash shield. Just try to get this aligned underneath that shield there. Goes right up along the top. Now we're going to focus in the center here. Let's align our two push pin ports. Take hold of one of our push pins. When installing push pins, you want to drive in the outer portion, then lock them in with the center. This next one in here. Let's make our way over towards each side. Start on one side here. We have our 10mm bolt. Go ahead and start that in. We'll snug it up. Now continuing on, we're going to make our way up inside the wheel well area for our two push clips on each side of the vehicle. Let's see if we can get this in place. Push that push pin in. Repeat this process on the other side of the vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.